Model, 62-plate Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI-100 PS dropside pickup starts drives head gasket. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 182,520. MOT, the 2nd of August 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Dill pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows.